AI is going to replace a lot of people, brother. In 2019, I had the privilege to sit down, I can't disclose the names, but with some people that were working on some top tier AI companies. And recently I had the privilege of talking to some people that are executives or high up people at OpenAI. In 2019, when I set out to build Capital Club, my entire premise was, based off my conversations with these people, was I need to build an AI-proof company. And as I sat down with these people, I said, there's two things that AI will never be able to replace: personal development and community. AI will never be able to eat healthy on your behalf. It'll never be able to go to the gym on your behalf. And community, they'll never be able to have this, right, on your behalf. Yeah, that may be 30, 40, 50 years down the road. It doesn't really matter. It may not replace construction workers at this time. That may be 100 years down the road. Dude, I had one of my lawyers, my retainer's $500 an hour. That's what I have to pay. I'm assuming my lawyer knows the shit that they're talking about. I cross-referenced that with ChatGPT, some Puerto Rican tax law, whatever. My lawyer was wrong. I fired that motherfucker instantly.
Really?
Yes, brother. Yes. So now I'm like, okay, what about 10 years down the road? This thing that's going to understand and read all the tax law, that's going to understand all the criminal like playground. Am I going to need a lawyer? Potentially not. Am I going to need an accountant when AI can literally run my books? Most likely not. And you're seeing now with the editing softwares, right? AI is literally chopping up and editing shit instantly. Am I going to need a video editor? Oh yeah, but you're going to need a video editor for movies. Yeah, but that's short-term thinking. What about 10 years down the road? So I'm building companies of tomorrow because technology is advancing so quickly. There's a concept known as Moore's Law. I think Moore is the guy that created, I think, Dell, company Dell. Don't quote me, but I think it's Dell. And he created this concept of Moore's Law, that technology advances super quickly and it becomes cost efficient. So the processing power doubles and the cost happens every like 2 years or something like that. So stuff is ramping up and people are still going to university. People are still doing traditional jobs. Maybe fine, but 10 years, 20 years, 30 years down the road, how are you going to be positioned? So in 2019, I was like, I need to build an AI-proof company, build Capital Club, focus on developing this concept of entrepreneurs, building and scaling digital businesses and community. Like this interaction, irreplaceable.
Yeah.
And it's playing out just according to plan.
I've seen some people say it's going to become so smart that we will literally not even be able to understand it.
Brother, just wait till somebody creates an AI that puts Jesus, Muhammad, the Buddha, all into one, and people start worshiping the church of AI. Just wait for it, bro. Watch it. Clip this. Wait for it, bro. Motherfuckers in Japan already have virtual girlfriends in the metaverse. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think people are not going to? That'll be
a big thing.
Come on,
virtual
brother.
Girlfriends, where they can actually figure out like the how to make a physical.
Bro, a virtual girl that's powered by AI, that knows your personality, that caters to you, that has a sort of personality.
Doesn't give you any shit.
Brother, come on. Like it may not be today, but remember, 20, 30 years ago, people were talking about the internet changing the world and everybody called them freaks. Everybody called them idiots. And that's what we use it today. We're basically cyborgs, bro. We don't go anywhere without our phones. Nowhere. Now wait till AI is integrated into every aspect of humanity.